to the heavy sign.
Näed või? Tee ise 36 aastat seda tööd.
Maal on hoorn on... Kus see hoorn? Näed seal?
A lot of buttons here.
Yeah. It's like a plane, you know.
Yeah.
Rain start.
Okay.
So we put the anti-lag to the hardest position.
Yeah! Shit! Wow!
Jeez. So you can drive like that if you want.
Oh, it's so smooth!
It was 140 kilometers per hour now.
Okay.
Says that finish is soon.
Yeah.
And that's a finish. Flying finish. So that's it. Thank you for the job.
Thanks, man.
You were telling me the road very well, huh?
It's fucking fantastic. Jesus.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah.
We need to do that again.
One more time, yeah?
Yeah.
Ma ootan, et püksid on toon harja ja kühli põhime kokku või? It's a good car.
Toyota is always a proper car.
Of course.